Hey everyone, it's Chef Adrian Forte here, and I've partnered with USA Rice to showcase an exciting new concept, the Rice Crouton. I'm going to be showing you 3 ways how to make these easy and delicious little treats. US grown rice is as local as it gets for Canadians. Easy to make, fun to shape. These bite-sized delights have a crispy texture on the outside and soft on the inside. Perfect as a main course or to complement any dish. Rice croutons have endless use ideas. This flavorful, toppable, dippable staple is going to have you rethinking rice. Check out www.riceinfo.com for more rice crouton recipes that are suitable for both novice and experienced chefs alike.